And I'll share, I'm sharing now again. So here's where I started it. Okay. The first thing I'm doing is clearing this up. I want my braces, and this doesn't make the program run any better at that, but it makes it so it's more programmer friendly.
Right.
So we're gonna make this like that. We're gonna indent this just a little more. By the indent was right up here, the top, right here. And indent that, get rid of this. I don't need that. And there's the basic outline, right? So I think you have that okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So then I want the user to know what this is. So I'm gonna write this program as if you're doing this would be a great program. Okay. I want it to look like a great program. So I'm gonna just say system.out.println. And I'm just going to put in something here like $2 converter. Okay, semicolon on the end. And all that does is print out a line that has the name. Okay. So now I want my inputs. Okay. So I'm going to put this here. I'm just going to type inputs. And my first input is a prompt for what is the conversion rate from dollars to won. Okay. So system.out.print line or print.
So system.
Or enter the rate. That's what I want. I want to enter. I think that's better. Enter. That way I can just put a colon on the end here. Space. Okay, so there's my prompt to get information from the user. Now, to get information from the user, I need the scanner. So I have to create a scanner. So I have to go up here and import the Java utility scanner. And mine always locks.
Hold on. I gotta press the recording thing. Okay, it was blocking the screen. I'm good now.
So I added this up here because I need a scanner. And then I have to create the scanner. That's just the blueprint for the scanner. So I need a new scanner, and I'm going to say scanner. And I'm going to call my scanner user console or user con is equal to a new scanner. You're going to use this throughout the whole, anytime you need information from the user, you have to have one of these.
Okay.
It's from the system in, which is your keyboard. Okay. So here I create a scanner to get info or data from keyboard / user. All right. So now my program, what it does right now, my program would run right now, but all it does is this. And this is what your programs do right now. They just print something out. They don't do anything.
Right.
So there's what mine does right now. Okay.
Why is my, how come yours has like blue and stuff on there and mine doesn't?
Blue and stuff where?
Like public class and public static void.
It might just be set up different. Where you type in yours? Is it in NetBeans?
Yeah,
Are you using Ant?
yes.
Okay, then it should do this. What color are yours?
Just plain.
They shouldn't be.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me start over.
Color coordinated. Unless
Should I,
you're what?
should I start over?
Okay, let's do this real quick. I'm gonna stop sharing. And you share yours. Let me see it.
I'm on my laptop.
Oh, okay. Well, then let me see it again. Can you push it up a little closer to your? Yeah, I can't see it. But I don't know why you're not getting it. Looks like you're in the right spot.
Yeah,
Um,
I'm doing everything like I
all
normally
right.
do.
Well, just keep going.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have a prompt here and we need somebody to put some information in. So here's my prompt asking for them to put it in. Okay.
Yep.
So now I need a name. Okay, I need something. So I'm going to make it a double. Why a double? Because what if the exchange rate has pennies or something? Okay. So I need a float or double that can hold decimals. So I can't use an integer. Okay. So I'm going to say double and I'm going to call it exchange rate. And how am I going to get that exchange rate? Well, I'm going to use my scanner. And I called it user con. And I click that, and then it's next double is what I want.
Yeah, something's wrong because it's not popping up when I put user con and everything.
Well, without me being able to see it, I can't tell you what's wrong. I can walk you through this and give you the video, and then you're just going to have to figure out what's wrong with your laptop.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Yep.
So there. Now I've got that stored, the exchange rate. The next thing I want to know is, what do you want to do? They want to know if it's zero, if they enter zero, then they're going to exchange dollars to won. If it's one, they're going to exchange won to zero. I mean, won to dollars, right? So now we need another prompt that says enter zero to convert from dollar to won. One to convert won to dollars. Okay. So there's my prompt. And now they have to enter something. So now this time it's going to be an integer because all I want is 0 or 1. So it's int. And I'm just going to call it choice and say equals, again, user con. And this one will be next integer or int. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here's my prompts, and here I'm getting my variable. Here's my variable names. This is what kind of data it is that I'm storing. Okay, and this lets them type that in. So now, though, I have a decision, okay? So the decision here is, what do I want to do? Which one did they press? So if the choice is equal to, again, two equal signs because it's equal, 0, okay? Then what we want to do here is, okay, we need a prompt because we need to know how much. So we're going to say system.out.print, enter the dollar amount to convert. And then again, we need to be able to get that. So we're going to call it, it'll be a double again. And this will be dollars is equal to next double. Okay. And then, so then we'll be able to do the math. So we'll be able to say double one is equal to dollars times exchange rate. And then I can just print that out. And I'm going to say dollars plus no, let's do it this way. Well, it's AUN, isn't it?
It's no, it's UAN.
Oh, okay. UAN. So I'm just building a sentence here. So my amounts are going to go in where I have the variable names. So this should print out dollars, or no, I don't even need dollars. I need to get rid of that because I got a dollar sign in front of it. So whatever, let's say we had $10 is equal to 100 won is what's going to print out.
Okay.
Okay. If they choose 0. Okay. Else, okay, else if their choice is equal to 1, remember, equals in this language is 2 equal signs.
Mhm.
Okay, and now we got the same thing here, basically. We're gonna, but it's different. It's system out dot print, enter the won amount, because on this one we're going to convert to dollars. And then, so it'll be double. I guess I could have put this out. Let's do this, so we only have to declare them one time. Let's just do double dollars. And we'll make it equal to 0. And double one here. 0. And then we can
I
get
thought
rid
one
of,
is equal to 1.
uh,
I thought 1 was equal to 1.
no, these are where we're storing stuff. These are amounts. This isn't which one you're gonna do.
Okay.
These are just initializing. Okay, so then we don't have to declare them in here then. Like say I can get rid of this here. So now this one here is gonna be my one is equal to user on.next double. And then my conversion will be to dollars. Be equal to 1 times 1 divided by exchange rate. And it'll be the same thing here. Jeez. And then if they don't pick 0 or 1, we can have a little thing here that says else. All right, and I'm going to save that and run it and see what happens. Okay, then we'll make it 10. And if we pick 0, to convert dollars to 1, I misspelled 1 in both of those instances, then on all 3 of them. I'll have to fix that. So now it says enter the dollar amount. I put in $10 and that's 101.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll run
Yeah.
it again because we have to make sure it works in all instances. Okay, so we'll say it's 10 again. And this time I'll pick 1 and it says how many 1 do I want to convert? And I'll say, oh, I'll say 10. And it says 10 1 is $1, and that's right. And then if I run it again and it says, I'll put in 10 here and it says enter 0 or 1 and I put 3, it says only 1 and 0 and 1 are valid entries.
Okay.
So that's the logic behind it. Let me fix, it's YUAN, right? Isn't that what you told me?
Yeah.
YUAN. YUAN is right there. Dollar to one, UAN up here. All right, so I'm gonna save that. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording.
Can you send me this?
I am